American 959, contact Miami Center 135.6, have a wonderful night.
1356 American 959, good night, thanks. And Miami Center, American 959, we need to stop our climb. What altitude would you like us to maintain?
American 959, you can maintain 16,000 for now. Everything okay?
We'll maintain 16,000. We have a flap issue at the moment.
Roger, American 959. You can have a block altitude if you'd like, 15,000 to 17,000. Let me know when everything's all situated, and I can have high for you guys when you're ready.
Okay, we can maintain 16,000 for now, and we'll let you know further instructions.
Center, American 959.
Go ahead.
We're going to return to Miami.
American 959, Roger. You're cleared to Miami International Airport via left turn. Left turn, you can fly heading of 360, descend and maintain 12,000. Pilot discretion.
Alright, left turn 360, well, our discretion at 12,000, American 959.
And American 959, it's not an emergency or anything, correct?
No, we're not getting a proper indication on our leading edge devices, so actually, you know, I am going to declare an emergency. We're going to need runway 27.
American 959, Roger, an emergency is declared, runway 27 on request, and you need equipment standing by?
Yeah, just to make sure, because we're going to have a very high-speed approach.
Roger, sir, no problem. We'll take care of that now.
Thank you.
American 959, you can expect some more radar vectors from Miami approach. Contact Miami approach on 125.5. Good day.
1255, thanks, American 959.
Delta 2342, contact tower 118.3.
18.3, that's 23.
Miami approach, American 959 at a 139, descending to 12,000.
American 959, Miami approach, understand requesting equipment standing by. Expect the ILS approach runway 27, advise information, Kilo.
We'll get Kilo, we'll expect ILS 27, and yes, equipment standing by, please. We'll just need probably a couple of delay vectors.
United 2220, fly heading 090, descend, maintain 3000.
090, 3000, that's 1220.
JetBlue 2193, reduce speed to 210.
210, JetBlue 2193.
And Delta 2243, continue descent on the Sailfish, via the Sailfish 1 up. JetBlue 2193, descend, maintain 3000, fly heading 170.
Descend 3000, heading 170, JetBlue 2193.
American 959, fly heading 360, and descend, maintain 6000.
We're heading 360, we'll descend to 6,000, American 959.
American 959, when you're able, stay souls on board, fuel remaining, and if you have any hazmat on board.
Souls on board are 55, no negative on the hazmat, and we have 170 minutes for fuel on board.
American 959, speed at your discretion.
Approach Southwest 2275, moderate turbulence starting at 7,000.
Last call taken?
Yeah, Southwest 2275, just giving you a PIREP of moderate chop and light turbulence, moderate chop starting at 7,000 descending.
Southwest 2275, thank you. Fly heading 080, and was it light precip also?
Heading 080 and negative on the precip so far for Southwest.
Fairwing 3107, contact Miami Center 133.85.
133.85, good evening, Fairwing 3107.
JetBlue 2193, contact tower 118.3.
Good night, JetBlue 2193.
American 959, turn left heading 270.
270 American 959. And we're ready to go in anytime you are.
Okay, we'll go. This will be vectors inbound.
Thank you.
Southwest 2275, turn left heading 3003 miles from Sarco, maintain 3000 till established on the local line. Your cleared ILS 27 approach.
Left turn 300, 3000 about to establish, clear the ILS 27, Southwest 2275.
Southwest 2243, 6 miles from Sarco, turn right heading 240, maintain 3000 till established on the local line. Your cleared ILS runway 27 approach.
240 on the heading 3000 till established, clears ILS 27, Delta 2243, 240 heading.
Sir American 959, turn left heading 220, descend maintain 3000.
That's 220, December 3000 on the 951.
Southwest 2275, 170 knots or greater, clear 5 out, contact tower 118.3.
170 till 5 out, and Southwest 2275 next.
Miami United 1100. 12,000 with you.
United 1100 Miami approach, check the ILS approach, runway 26 left.
And approaches for flight 422,000, climb and maintain 5,000.
So flight 400 Miami departure, radar contact, climb maintain 7,000.
Yep, 7,000 for flight 400.
Approach United 1100, anything for runway 27.
United 1100, it's going to be a emergency landing that runway. I'm not sure when it will become available again. Expect 26 left now.
Alright, we'll expect it.
American 959, 6 miles from Sarco, turn right heading 240, maintain 3000 till established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 27 approach.
Heading 240, 3000 for the ILS 27 approach,
Thank you. American 959, reduce to 170 knots or less.
170 knots or less, American 959.
American 959, contact tower 118.3.
118, American 959. Right tower, American 959, ILS 27.
American 959, I tried 27 for the land, the wind is 3
Clear to land 27, American 959.
Flight Commander, hold, remain clear of runway 27, hold short of runway 27.